And when you go to yard sales, man, look at the trash piles. Hey, get that scooter, or the electric scooter with the power cord. Easel. Is this trash or a yard sale?
Street gotta be trash, right? It's on the street.
Yeah.
We'll just grab one.
You want the signs too?
Might as well. What divide it up?
All right, easel. Ah, shit, you got to. Oh, it doesn't break down. It's a good thing we got a van, right? Hell yeah, Van Massey, baby. You think the scooter works?
You got a charger for it?
Yeah. Right there.
Man, that's good. That's good.
Oh, the hand. Who knows? Somehow this handle comes down. Fuck it.
If you know a healthcare worker we should honor as a healthcare.
I'm gonna need help with this one.
From Bankston Motorhome. The only way to go is in a Bankston Motorhome and Rocket 95.1. Saving you money was an Olympic sport.
I think there's a body rolled up in that right.
We're just some scavengers, ain't we? What do you think about the...
I don't think that.
Hot. What about the little pink basket that's holding the...
It may.
Hey, you know what will though?
Pillow pets.
The whole pillow pets. The whole basket full of stuffed animals. Hey, I thought that's a good one.
That's
hey, that's a gun. That's a gun right there. Hell yeah! It's a... Hey, good morning.
This is free stuff, right? This is free stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, these people were having a yard sale, and I told them they could come and get it. This is a North Face backpack, but she wanted a new one. So
yeah, okay. We just left the yard sale.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a good lot right there. Yeah. That was a gun, a freaking gun. It's yeah. Make sure none of these are crazy.
What, this one?
It's at that end. Yeah.
We got there 10 minutes ago.
That's winning. We're at like 3 yard sales and a pile. Never miss an opportunity on a Saturday. Hope you've enjoyed this look into what happens on a Saturday with Harlan and the Beard. We will see you in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed. You never know what we're going to get into or what I'm going to find or what I'm going to sell. Roll Tide.